one of the things that's quite interesting about people who have Rousseauian ideas about children, so children are all good and they get corrupted by society, which is half true, because they're also not good and they get shaped and disciplined by society. But the Rousseauian types often are very interesting when their kids hit teenage years, or when they're judging, like say, criminal teenagers. It's like the child is perfect until they hit like 11, then they turn into a teenager, and then they're like thugs. So they go from good to thug in one move, you know, and you often see that in families too, that have treated especially their daughters like a princess, you know, and then they hit puberty, and the parents who have princessed them to death have no idea what to do with them, and so then they become demonized, and so the overly good child turns into the overly wicked teenager, and sometimes they'll act that out too. One of the things I've seen with girls who are held in princess esteem when they're little and their parents have too tight a grip on them and too much of a demand for good behaviors, they'll find some nasty character to associate with who will tear them out of the family. You know, bikers are really good for that sort of thing. So, and especially if you have some vengeful thoughts towards your parents, nice biker is your perfect solution to that problem.